Hello and welcome to Pioneer Counseling. I'm Jarius Shaheen. Today I'm going to walk you through the much anticipated new website of the Missouri Licensing Board. You can see I've got a few things here on my page that I'm going to share. If you are licensed in Missouri, that means you would have recently gotten an email notifying you that there is a new website and a new account that you must register in order to access all the features and resources within the board. So we all can recall our usual landing page, the Missouri Division of Professional Registration. Um, this is what the new page looks like. The MOPRO website, which you will need to register for, has a lot of the same kind of features here at the top. From your email or from this landing page where it says log into, it gives you that link. I've already registered, so this gives me a login. I don't have to register again, but I want to walk you through what that process was like for me. So, clicking on that register button, it lets you either already log in or register. It asks you to mark what you are, individual license or business license. Do you have an existing Missouri license? You have social security number, so you put that in there and that's what it references. Next up, you will fill in your information after you get an email that takes you to another verification link. You can update your profile, change it around, but you must verify that email, which takes you to your account. Lastly, it'll have you change your password from that link, so you'll put in a new password, and that is about it. So let's take a look. So let's take a look at the website and log in and see what we have in store. Once you log in by putting your username and password in, you'll see I've uploaded an image here. I'm not going to click on my profile because it'll share my information, but you can update all your information. You can update your email. If you do update your email, you'll have to verify it again in your new email, but it's very, very simple. You can apply for a license or renew a license, file a complaint, all similar features. There's a few things that seem to be missing at the moment, but I'm sure those will be added over time. Uh, we can track the licenses. So, for example, I've got two licenses on here, but the one I usually reference for these purposes is counseling. One question that I had that I'm sending to the board is in regards to a new feature for hours tracking. And that's something I'm going to be asking about if it's all going to be online now or if it still has to be in paper or if they have some sort of system set up here. But it's got tasks, pre-licensure petitions, applications, payments, business name, license name, everything in this new spot. So today is January 14th, 2025, and this is now live. So head on over there and get all your accounts set up. Have a great one.